Family-owned pharmacies are facing tough decisions about whether or not they can afford to stay in business.
Yeah, the small businesses are revolting against big corporations who are trying to buy them out. Hundreds of the pharmacists took their complaints to the Statehouse today. WCIA3's Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell talked with many of them. Now, Mark, hundreds of these pharmacies say they could be forced to shut down.
Paul, that's right. They brought an urgent message here today. In fact, many family pharmacies are already shutting down as the cost of the drugs that they pay continues to get jacked up. 15 pharmacies in Illinois have closed their doors just in the last 10 months alone. Those jobs are on the line, and the price you pay for drugs at the pharmacy could go up higher, they warn, if this continues. If you think you paid too much for prescription drugs, so do these pharmacists. More than 400 pharmacists flooded the Capitol Rotunda to rally and protest against pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs. They say the PBMs are intentionally inflating their drug prices to push them to the brink and buy them out.
They're asking us to take over our business. They want to buy our business. They're absolutely trying to squeeze us out.
I got 2 letters from CVS Caremark trying to buy me out. I'll eventually have to go out of business. Then they can buy that store from me and they can pay themselves more.
Is it right for PBMs to use business practices to put their competitors out of business? Is that right or wrong?
So we're here today to work on legislation that will outlaw predatory pricing practices.
House Majority Leader Greg Harris battled the Rauner administration's record deal that handed coverage for Medicaid patients to private insurance companies. Senator Andy Minar said massive companies like CVS are now in prime position to do 2 things:
drive up costs and stamp out their competition.
Lauren Young's family owns pharmacies in Decatur and Forsyth that employ 30 people. She says her drugstores may only last a matter of weeks if the state doesn't step in and regulate PBMs.
So if this goes unchecked, we will have entire counties in downstate Illinois without a single pharmacist in operation. And the PBMs would say, use your mailbox. Well, try to tell that to someone who's waiting on a life-saving drug. Or try to tell that to someone who doesn't have a car to drive 45 miles to get a prescription filled for their sick child.
A lot of this is Medicaid money from the state going to these companies. Senator Minar and Greg Harris's bill would shine a light of transparency on that, force these companies to open their books. Minar suspects the state could save somewhere around $100 million in that process. Live at the State House, Mark Maxwell, WCIA3, your local news leader.
All right, Mark, thanks.